In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check your star balance on Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the home page. Then click on three bars given at the top left. Now head over to the option settings and privacy. Under this, you're gonna find the option of orders and payments. Click on that. Here you will be able to see your Facebook stars balance along with your purchase activity if you have bought any. Now if you are a creator and want to check the stars you receive from viewers, head back. Now click on three bars again. Click on the option dashboard. Now head over to the section monetization and you will find stars option where your earnings and balance will be shown. If you have already set it up, you can tap on it to see full details including total stars received and estimated earnings and even a breakdown under see all for more insights. That's basically how you can check your star balance on Facebook. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.